Samsung dropped a teaser for its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge during the grand finale of its recent keynote event, leaving tech enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. After the event, the company gave us a closer look at the phone's ultra-slim design. But here's the catch: no one was allowed to touch it. Naturally, with a design so slim, the big question on everyone's mind has been, what's up with the battery? Well, the mystery is finally solved. The Galaxy S25 Edge is packing a 3900 mAh battery, technically a 3786 mAh rated capacity. This juicy detail comes straight from the China Quality Certification database, as spotted by Tipster. On the charging front, it's confirmed to have 25 watts fast wired charging, just like its sibling, the Galaxy S25. Now, here's the twist. Earlier leaks hinted at a much larger battery, something between 4700 and 5000 mAh. Sounds dreamy, right? But we had our doubts. Given how slim the S25 Edge is, we're talking less than 7mm thick. It seems like those bigger battery rumors were indeed too good to be true. In terms of size, the Galaxy S25 Edge boasts a display similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus, but pairs that with a battery capacity closer to the regular Galaxy S25. This raises some eyebrows. Unless Samsung has pulled off some incredible magic in display power efficiency or chipset optimization, some users might feel let down by the smaller battery. That's not the only compromise, though. The S25 Edge reportedly features a dual camera setup on the rear, and it might skip the telephoto lens entirely, which is a major letdown. As for pricing, it's said to fall somewhere between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which gives it a premium but not quite flagship vibe. Also worth noting, it won't be launching worldwide, so availability might be limited to select markets. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Edge shaping up to be your next smartphone, or are you holding out for something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and take care.